Hello everybody, this is our next moment. This is our episode of putting our poppets into our slime. So, this is a circle. This is a rainbow among us. This is a purple circle, which is my second poppet. And this is a pink unicorn. So that's the only unicorn poppet that I have is a pink one. And we have some play-doh to make our slime. And we got our sea life slime. Well, this is not DIY slime, but we're just going to pour some slime on my unicorn. No, we should hide the unicorn. Let's make a sandwich. And we put, oh yeah, this is DIY So Slime. I bought it the same time I got my yellow poppet, my yellow circle poppet. We're gonna put some on the Among Us. Yeah. And we got to put the purple one on, no, that's the yellow. Put the yellow one on top. Well, after we upload this video, we're gonna clean them. And we have a purple circle. How about we get the play-doh out? Let's use some play-doh. Just like what we were showing when we made, oh yeah. We're gonna put some play-doh right on top of here, and we got this little thing. So look at what I made. I piled up all these poppets. Let's take them off. Let's see what they look like. So this is another poppet compilation. So this is what a play-doh poppet looks like. It just got some color on it, but let's pop it. Well, I'm not showing my face on here. Oh yeah, that's my face. Ooh. I'm just gonna do this. Pop, pop. Look at this. This is still the same side. We've put this purple circle poppet right there. And we got a yellow circle. I don't want my friends to see that yellow circle. So we're gonna give it a challenge to pop it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's put this poppet right with the purple poppet. So the yellow and purple poppet look like they're both circles. The Among Us poppet didn't get dirty. Well, this is Rainbow Among Us. I just got this one online. Oh, you can pop slime? Okay. It's a slime poppet. Let's see if there's slime on the back. There's no slime on the back of the poppet. Yeah. Now this Among Us one is popped. Let's get off the slime. Let's put the slime off the unicorn. I wish I won a slime poppet. Wow. I'm so busy today. Let's just pop this. So now this unicorn got popped. Now we got 4 poppets here. So now we put the poppets in slime. So I don't want to cut up this little squishy ball. So let's show you what's in here. What? Shaving cream. Oh yeah, there's shaving cream in there. So I think that's to not make the ball flat. So this is also a fidget. This is a squishy ball. Wow, you can twist it around and you can put this ball right there. Oh yeah, it also farts like a whoopee cushion. I think you can roll it. I'm gonna put some slime over it because it's gonna look a little slimy. Ooh, that's so slimy. Oh yeah. So we have some slime over here. Well, this is a wet slime. So I'm making it bigger, bigger, bigger slime. Look at it. Now we got some slime over here. Ooh. Now we should put this little stamp over here. Ready, set, go. Let's do another one. Now we made that. Oh yeah, look at this. This is like Tetrazini. Now we gotta put this on top of my little piggy. Ooh, look at this. This is what slime looks like on top of a pig. So this is my slime challenge. Oh yeah, I'm putting it on a big piggy. Now let's take it off. Let's see what it looks like now. Now let's squish it. Stop making noise, little piggy. So now we're just gonna bong it and boom it and wee. Whoop. It's gonna look so amazing. Look at the amazing slime. This is relaxing for you. Ooh. Wee. We got some little slime over here. Let's rain some little slime on our fidgets, our poppets. Let's do it on our poppets. Ready? Go. Now it's gonna rub on our fidgets, our poppets. We're gonna make them wet. Ooh. Let's just go on a little hunt, a toy hunt. Let's design it. Let's roll the toy and put a little bong right there. And there's a little dune. There's a dune, a bong, and a dune. Ready, set, go. A dune and a bong and a dune. A dune and a bong and a dune. Good job. Now you're going to put these pops, these little slime together. Now let's put the slime back on our pig. I don't want to put the slime in our play-doh. On our play-doh. Now let's do this. gonna pop this little yellow circle. Now we popped these poppets. Now we are gonna show the little unicorn something. Uh-oh, my slime. Now we are gonna squish some of the slime off and squish them back, and wee! Let's do some more relaxing slimes. Now the slime is going to be on top of our purple poppet. Let's do some slime popping. Some popping with the slime. Pop. Let's pop, everybody. Let's make this a popping toy. Don't pop the circles without your slime. Wow, we did that poppet. Now let's squish the ball out. And then wonder what's gonna happen with this ball if we cut it. Do we need any scissors to cut our fidgets apart? Yeah. Let's pop this. We're just gonna do some slime popping. Slime popping with an Among Us poppet. Among Us poppet. And we're gonna move this. Woo! Now it's all popped. Let's just rain the poppets. Relax, relax. Ooh. Now you got some of the slime on the poppets. So we are gonna put some slime right on this poppet, and let's stack some slime on this one, and another one there we can stack. Not the it's a unicorn, and a little bit right here. Now let's look at it. Ooh. It seems like the slime is not working right. I'm gonna pop it. Yeah. Let's pop it on this side. Oh. All right, everything's popped. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe. Do you to hear more about fidgets if you click on the hashtag fidgets. Okay, you can click on fidget toys, fidgets, or other lists that are also fidgets. You can also click on Pop It, and you can click on Unicorn Pop It, or Among Us Pop It, or Square Pop It, or Circle Pop It to explore more about these poppets. And you might also see a pink unicorn poppet and a purple circle poppet and circle poppet. But if you look on Poppet, you might see a unicorn poppet, a square poppet, and a yellow circle poppet. So we're gonna pack up and get ready to go. You got to make sure to give yourself a little thumbs up. You got to make sure to get a thumbs up. But that's fun. Do you want to click Pop It? Or do you want to play Fidget Toys Pop It? Oh yeah. My little sister said she wanted a Pop It. That's what she said. Oh, that's funny. We should pause the video.